Hello all. I had a call with Wendy and using her instructions I set links on homepage slider images, and when you click on images you will be redirected to pages which she wanted. The issue is that I just copied the address from the address bar, and then I set that on the admin panel on Webika slider, as you can see here, but I do not know what's going to happen when you move when this site goes on live. So these links should be checked on the slider images, and to set there, I don't know, is it relative or absolute link, but this link I think it's not okay. Now also I changed the image per her instructions, and I set links on this, and same as for homepage slider images, the links are, I think it is relative link, but I'm not absolutely sure. Maybe it's absolute or relative. So, but when I set a link on learn about porcelain, that image changed position, and now this page doesn't look okay. So this has to be fixed. That porcelain CMS static box should be added. Now there are some issues with these images. When I go to dinnerware, this image is wrong. Image should be same as this one. When I go on giftware, the image is okay. When I go to lamps, the image is okay. But when I go to jars, and then when I go to dinnerware, you will see this image is wrong. This image should be shown. Same is for decorative accessories. It's wrong image. Then for Robert and Havilland, in stock image is wrong. This image should be there. Special order image, it's wrong image. You should set this image there. Then for Milestone and Motorhead, dinnerware image is wrong, and giftware image is wrong. You should set these two images for these two subcategories. Now let's see the product detail page and the issue with the images. When I click on the image is open, you have this pop-up, but when user click on the image, when double click on the image, you will see that this image will show up, and as you can see, this is overlapping. So I asked client and she approved that we disable double click. So on double click nothing will happen because you have this slider and user can zoom in. No need to show image in full size. Now let's go back to home page. I tried to set what's new images. I wanted to change some products, but I didn't know how to do that. Usually we create what's new category, and on that category we set products. So that's the easiest way for client to update those products on what's new. So here's the way how to do it. Create subcategory what's new, that category should be active but not included in main navigation menu, and some products should be set there. Now let's check. I think that the best idea is to set the same products. As you can see, this product doesn't exist. So, and there is one more thing related for this what's new. It should be what's new block with a slider to have these arrows like this here. So when user click on slider, then they will see what products are new. So let's refresh the page. I want to check nothing is shown here. So as you can see, you have now what's new category. That category will be only the thing that has to be done here is to assign products, and your front end developer has to create a slider for this what's new block. You have example on gray living. I will show you that site. You will see here two categories, one of a kind and letters, and you will see how that slider works. Similar thing you should implement here. And there is issue on retailer's page. She will send me a copy for this page. I will change that copy. Copy is text for this page, but here's something wrong with the retailer database. For example, if I type in New York, if I type a zip code, this is a New York zip code, and when I click submit, nothing happens. But if I select New York and click submit, you will see all the stores here. That's one issue. If I change to Mota, there is no submit button, nor the shortcut, nor the when I hit enter on keyboard, nothing happens. Now another issue on New Jersey. There are stores, but this zip is wrong. 0 is missing. I think that that's something related with the store locations import and the format of the zip column. And as I can see, when I search for zip code in New Jersey, I expect to see only New Jersey stores, but there are shown New York stores and not all New Jersey stores shown here. Let me show you now that when I go to backend, to store locations, CMS store locations, and when I search for New Jersey locations, there are 15 stores, but not all 15 are shown here. So let's count. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are missing. And when you go to next page, this is first page, here are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bridge stores. It should start from number 1, so here should be 1, 2, 3, 4, and when I go to next page, so here is ending on number 20, but on next page, instead of starting from 21, it starts from number 1 again. So this is wrong. So this retailer page should be, those issues should be fixed. That's it.